Hi everyone, this is the camera that we buy on eBay. Those cameras are R300. We're trying to make it work. This is the SD that we've been using in another camera. They're working in another camera. We're gonna try to make it work over here. Now we're gonna turn on the camera. It's full charger now. It's right there, both green. We're gonna try the first CD. It takes us to format the SD card. We're gonna format. You say formatting. And it says card error. We're gonna try that in another camera. We're gonna try the same. On this one, it's brand new too. We buy on the same with that one, tuned off already. The same. Say no SD card. I'm gonna put the SD card, and it says format the card. I'm gonna format the card. And the same, card error. Now we're gonna try that with the other SD card. Same, format card. We're gonna format the card. We're gonna try. Same, card error. Now we're gonna try that in the other camera that we tried before. It's right here. It says format card. Read it over there. I'm gonna start formatting the card, the SD card. Right there, sometimes it takes longer to format, but sometimes it turns off by itself. We don't know why. The camera is full charged already. We have it plugged into the computer, but it's charged already. And it turned off by itself again. So this is what been happening with this camera R300. We can't make it work.